Okay, it's recording there, so hold it. Just hold it like that, so quick, mate. Okay, we're going to have another go here. We've got Pep on camera, and we just had a few technical difficulties. So this is Pepe. This is my Chainsaw Challenge chainsaw, the Dolmar 116 SI. As you can see, I've been cutting with this for about the last half an hour, and it's an absolute ball tearer. Running like a champ. It's a good, solid, just standard saw. I haven't done anything to it. I didn't even pull the muffler off it because it had such good compression I didn't need to worry about it. So it was $100 for the saw, $47 for a bar link chain and chain. I can't actually, I've had to send that one back because it was they sent me the wrong chain. I'm not going to get that back before next weekend, so I've just got an old bar and chain on, but I'll put the receipt for the one that I bought on so you can see what I got. I just can't say how fantastic this saw is enough. It's just a great saw, like all of the Dolmars of this era. But to show you, we'll get him fired up, we'll cut some wood. So Pip, you're watching?
Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Incredible.
Okay, so we'll do a little restart here just to show you. So that's Pepe's entry in the 2017 Aussie Chainsaw Enthusiast video. Thanks for Pip for all of our hard work there.